makeup. Andrew's a black crescent guys. The guys up the back, I want you to stand up. Shoot, there's your rock.
Какой красивый, Аиль.
Okay, so the black crescent buzzard found out right out in the middle of Australia, very central.
Oh!
Australia. She's got one big crack in that now, so should get it next go. And she's in, guys. Give her a big round of applause. Now, as you can see, guys, it's not a real emu egg up on stage here today. It is only a plaster of Paris copy. Unfortunately, our emus can't keep up. We've had to start making plaster ones. Now, these guys, they do live out in very dry, arid areas of Australia where basically there's not many humans found, but unfortunately with things like mining sectors moving out into these areas, these guys are being affected by us.